Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you two textured ponytails, two textured drawstring ponytails that are for black women, that are from Amazon, that are Amazon Prime, that are under $20. I'm going to be showing you three different hairstyles with two different textured ponytails. Drawstring ponytails are my jam. If you did not know, they're just something really quick and easy that you can throw on your head, and I love these because they're so affordable and so quickly to receive in the mail from Amazon. So this is the first one. This is a 22-inch ponytail extension. It is a drawstring, as you can see. I love these two ponytails right here. They are from Stamped Glorious, by the way. That is the name of the brand, Stamped Glorious. But see how large that bun area is? That's perfect for somebody with a lot of hair. Both of these ponytails, but this one especially, has such a big opening for your bun, and it's really stretchy right there, which I really like. And it fit over my, I have a lot of hair. It fit over my large amount of hair, my big bun, very easily, but it still looks nice, and you still couldn't tell that it was a drawstring ponytail. So as you can see, it's just really easy to put on. You just throw it over your bun. It has two clips, one in the front, one in the back. You put the clips in and secure it down. Pull that drawstring tight, wrap it around to conceal it. I like putting a couple of bobby pins in just to really nail it down. And that's it, guys. That is it. All you have to do is lay your edges, make sure your hair is really flat on the top, and you're ready to slay. It's so easy to do. And look how long this ponytail is, in the texture of it, the curl of it, the wave of it is so cute and so long also. This is a really cute ponytail. So this is the next one by Stamped Glorious, same brand. This one's shorter and it's more of a tight curl. They describe it as a curly, short afro ponytail. It's not afro. I mean, you know how these Asian people do sometimes. This is not afro. This is some really nice curls, some really nice ringlets. So it does have the same type of construction, has those clips in the front and the back. It is very stretchy, and as you can see, that bun area gets really large, which is perfect for somebody like me that has big natural hair, has a lot of thick natural hair. So it's very convenient for me. My drawstring kind of came loose, so I just tied it into a knot, which is fine. And then I'm just going to wrap it around the base after I secure that in. And this is more of a super duper high ponytail that I did with this one because I put my bun super high. I'll show you in a minute how it will look if you take your bun down a notch, not so high on your head. But I did like it like this too. You could actually even take it even higher and switch that hair all the way over to one side, put it all the way over to one side to make more of a natural type of hairstyle look, like a pineapple type of look. But I liked it like this. It's really cute. I love the color. I didn't think it would match with my hair too well, but it actually did. And look at the texture. You just got to separate the curls a little bit, and it's just really easy to, look cute. So beautiful. And then I'm just going to take this little clip. These are also from Amazon. I will link these down below if you're interested. But it comes in a pack of a lot of these different type of pearl little hair clips. And I just put that in the center right there just to add something extra for no reason, because I'm extra. Okay, so this is the last hairstyle. I really love this one. This one I just accented with a scrunchie. I love scrunchies. I'll have these scrunchies linked below. Also, they're also from Amazon, and I just used this to accent the base of the ponytail. I just took it a little bit lower. I moved my bun a little bit lower and put it in, and that's how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you on my next one. Bye.